Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Florence. If you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here. And if you're not, welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in. Guys, today we're going to be having a drummers braidout. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my braidout without any product. Yep, no product. So because I already have the braids in, I'm just going to be telling you guys what I did before I actually braided my hair. Okay, so you know it's wash day and I did my shampoo and condition and did my LOC. If you haven't watched my full wash day routine video, please, which tree are you sitting on? Go ahead and watch that right now to get caught up on everything I do on wash day. So I did all of my wash day routine, did my LOC, liquid, oil and conditioner, cream or butter, whichever way. I did my LOC or my moisturizing process. If you also haven't watched my moisturizing video, what all have you been kept in exactly? Go ahead and watch it right now. All right, so after I did that, all I did next was to tell my boyfriend to part my hair for me, and I braided it one by one. That was all I did, guys. All I did, I shampooed, deep conditioned, did my LOC and braided my hair. I divided it into 4 sections like you already know I do, and then divided each 4 section into another 4 sections. It was only this side that I had to do for 5 sections. So all in all, I have 17 braids on my head. Yep. And all I did was the LOC method and braid with my hand. It was a really long process, I know, but that's what I did. And after like a month, guys, a month, because you know it's quarantine period and Corona is outside and I'm not going anywhere, I'm just inside. And whenever I've had to make a video for you guys in the past, I've just worn my wig, which by the way is also a protective style. So I've just worn my wigs to do the video. So I haven't really gone anywhere, so I'm just here. All right, so today is take down and we're going to see what an amazing braid out it gave. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I am going to use to take down this braid, simple, my growth oil and my comb. I don't remember what they call this comb. I know it's called ilaron in Yoruba, cotton comb, I think. Anyway, so I'm going to put this near me. Not that I actually want to use it. I'm going to be using my hands mostly, but in case anything is proving difficult, I'll bring this in. Also, I should say that when you want to take down your braids, make sure, absolutely make sure that it's dry. That, my dear, is the key to a successful braid out. So make sure it's dry before you take it down. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is put this on my hands. Just a little bit, nothing too much, and just put it on the pulp of my fingers just to make sure that my hands are oiled. After that, I am just going to be taking this down. So you guys already know that I'm a sectioning lady, so I section. Okay, let's go with half and half. the way. Okay, so guys, this is just from loosening 2 braids, and we have this much. I've also shown you guys how to separate it. Just follow the natural line of the hair and you get it to separate. For fluffing, I think it's actually thick enough, but if you want to fluff your hair, just go ahead and just lift it. Go ahead and lift it. Just the roots. Just the roots. You don't want to let the curls to entirely separate. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest and come back to show you guys the result. I'm back here. Hey guys, so I went to do the rest off camera and I had to do a few things before I came back, and this is what I have. My hair is dirty because, you know, it's been a month and I have some dirt lying in my hair, but that doesn't mean I'm still not going to rock this braid out for a while. So let me just show you guys what I have. Whew. Look, you guys, just look how really okay. So this is what I have, and this is after I fluffed a bit, just a bit, while I was taking down the braids and all. So I don't know if you guys would want to have a bigger fluff. It's big enough right now. I don't want to do so much fluffing and all, so I'm just going to pack it like this. I'm going to come back and show you guys how I style it if I want to style it. So that's about that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.